Hello everyone. My name is Arka Prava Mandal. I am a first year undergraduate student from the Department of Chemical Engineering, IIT Kharagpur. I am from section 15 and my roll number is 21CH30007. In my first DIY assignment project, I have made a water jet impeller. And for making this impeller, first I have chosen the part option and then I have created three helices named them as south, average, and half. I have provided them different pitches and radius. I have also adjusted the angles between them. Next, I have used the loft option to make the surface of the blade. Next, I have used the offset option and provide them a thickness of 3 mm to the blade surface. Next, I have used the sketcher option and select the extra plane. Then create a circle of radius 54 mm. Next, I go to part option and then use the extrude inside direction to have a solid cylinder of 150 mm height, and I have also adjusted the blade by rotating it. Next, I have used the Boolean operation to fuse, and next select to fuse the blade and the cylinder. Next, I have select the different leading edges and use the fillet option. Use the fillet option to have this rounded shape. Next, for having three different blades, I have used the polar array option. And now for having the hole on the middle part, I use the sketcher option. And then I have also deleted some lines and then use extrude this option to create a solid surface. Finally, I have used the cut option to have the hole, and then I have used mesh design and get my impeller. Now, after saving this project and after creating this HTML file, if I open it, it's look like this. I have opened the Cura software, and here is my project. Now I will select it, and I have move it and position it like this. I've also scaled it, and the required dimension, and the dimension is like this, which is less than the dimension mentioned in the project. Now I will change its specifications. So for this, first I will change its infill density to 10%, and here is the speed, that is 60 mm per second. And for the top and bottom thickness, it is 0.05 mm. So now I will slice it for the estimated time of my project. I'll go to preview option. So as you can see that the estimated time is 7 hours and 52 minutes, which is less than 8 hours. And this is how my project will build. Here is a preview video of my project, which you can see. So I think that I have included all the points that was mentioned by my respected professors, and have I have created a right model for the DIY assignment 1. Thank you.